Hey, this is Mrs. Wilson's class, and we are going to do picking up rocks. Rocks are natural, but they were never alive. They are rocks. They are part of the dirt and part of the earth. And I found this one pretty one. They come in all shapes and sizes. They break up into little pieces. Little ones are kind of nice. So let's talk about this. We'll walk down the street. Any place you live has rocks. Look at this one. That one looks like a cube. And they're sort of the same. Here we go. Picking up rocks. Picking up rocks. Picking up rocks. I see a black one. It's flat. And it's very hot. Okay, I've got 3. There's another. Whoa, this one's not flat. There's 4. Okay, here we go. And we're walking along. Picking up rocks. Yeah, this one's just kind of bumpy. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Picking up rocks. 6. I kind of like the pink ones. Here we go.